How to fix the no GPS or GPS signal lost issue on Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on system and updates. Now in system and updates, tap on software update, and from here check if your phone's software is up to date or not. So if you have not updated the phone's software, then tap on download and install to update the software. And after updating the phone's software, the GPS issue will be fixed. But after updating, if you are still facing the issue, then open settings again, scroll down and tap on battery, and here you will see a performance mode button. So tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off this button, it will help you to fix the GPS signal issue. But after this, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution to fix this issue is open settings again, scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and this time tap on reset. Now tap on reset phone, and then again tap on this reset phone option on the bottom of your screen to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset your phone back to factory default, and everything from your phone will be deleted, including the installed apps, music, photos, videos and all the files. So if you are sure, then tap on reset phone, and after that the GPS issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the no GPS issue or GPS signal lost issue on Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.